Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It was my birthday recently and I had time to film this look due to the lockdown. So please support me by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing. Thank you. I started by cleaning my face with the Nivea Micellar cleansing water. Then I used sweat stop all over my face because I have very sweaty skin. That's why my face was really dry and whitish. It also spilled on my hands, so my fingers were also very dry and white. Please bear with me. Next, I went into the Hege and Esther eyebrow pomade in Toffee, which I applied with my angled brush and blended together with the mascara wand.
You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, working in this place. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, moving in a mist. I worship you, I worship you. You are here.
Next, I highlighted my brows with LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. For the beginning of my brows, I used Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Cocoa, which is my normal foundation shade. I used this so that it will look a bit natural at the beginning. I also used that for the upper part of my brows because I don't want any harsh lines.
I worship you, I worship you. Hey. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are.
Having applied concealer all over my eyelids, I went into this Lady V Christmas edition eyeshadow palette. All the colors I'm using are actually from this particular palette. So I'm blending this wine eyeshadow all over my eyelid, and I'll be blending out the edges with an orange eyeshadow color.
Every heart, I worship you, I worship you. You are here, healing every heart. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, turning lives around. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, mending every heart. I worship you, I worship you. Hey, we make a miracle walker, promise keeper.
Next, I'm using my fingers to apply this brown eyeshadow and just blending it into the wine color that I had applied earlier.
I worship you. You are here, mending every.
Still with my fingers, I applied glitter primer and went into the brown sparkly glitters from the same Lady V palette. I used my fingers to blend it into the eyeshadow that I had already applied.
Jesus, you're wise.
Next, I applied liquid liner on my upper lid and mascara on my lashes. Having applied my primer off camera, I went into my foundation application. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in Cocoa, and I'm blending it with this angled stippling brush. This brush is really big and fluffy. It makes my work so easy. And to think it's unbranded, but it's my absolute favorite at the moment.
Promise keep light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. You wipe away all tears.
Next, I'm going into the concealer I used to highlight my brows, and I'm using it to highlight my face. I'm blending it out with this brush. I feel like I work better with brushes actually. I barely use beauty sponges. Guys, the key here is blend. Blend, 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 and blend. And then blend some more. You don't want any harsh lines anywhere.
Worship you. You are here, mending every heart. I worship you. I worship you. Hey, we make a miracle walking, promise keep light in the darkness. That is who you are. Hey, we make a miracle walking, promise keep light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. You wipe away all tears. You mend the broken heart. You're the answer to it all. Jesus, you wipe away all tears. You mend the broken heart. You're the answer to it all, to it all.
Next, I'm contouring my face with the Hush Beauty concealer in number 5. This concealer is dark, but it blends out really nicely. I'm just setting my highlight and my contour with powder.
You wipe away all tears. You mend the broken heart. You're the answer to it all. Jesus, you wipe away all tears. You mend the broken heart. You're the answer.
I did reverse contouring to make my cheek contour pop a bit more. I applied this gold pigment at my tear duct area to brighten my eyes, and I fixed my lashes off camera. If you would like to learn how to fix lashes on yourself, I know many people struggle with that. Let me know in the comment section. So I went into the same eyeshadow I used on my eyelid, and I'm applying them underneath my eyes to create a bit of a smoky effect. I'm just blending out the colors. To line my lower lash line, I'm using Inglot gel liner in number 77.
We make miracle walk, promise keep light in the darkness. My God,
I set my face with Kiss Beauty setting spray, and I immediately went into my bronzer, which I applied on the highest point of my face, the areas where I mainly applied my highlights.
to you are. We make miracle walk.
Next, I set the rest of my face with powder MAC Studio Fix in NW45, which I blended all over my face. For my lips, I'm using lipsticks from BH Cosmetic Lip Palette. I found out that this lipstick does not apply smoothly with brush, so I applied it with my fingers, and I'm just blending the colors together. I'm topping it off with Zaron Max Shine Lip Gloss and another clear gloss. And that is the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you have been able to learn one or two things from this tutorial. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe and share please. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video, hopefully soon. Bye.
Do it all, Jesus.